Hey, how you doing? This is Lawton. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to let you know that at 2:30 Eastern, I will be going live to talk about how response dynamics works. This is the formula and process that I've used to increase client conversions into the multi-millions of dollars for different clients, okay? And so this is for service providers, this is for info product people, and this is for group coaching or one-on-one. So if you're doing some type of done for you stuff like copywriting or graphic design, or if you're a chiropractor, you're trading money for services, then this is for you. This is for coaching, consulting, and then info product. So if you fall into that category, I'd love to have you on. So how do you see this live? Okay, how do you? So number one, we're going to talk about response dynamics. Number two, we're going to be talking about um, we're going to be talking like you can ask me anything. So I'm going to be able to help you out live if you have any questions for me on how to increase conversions or ramp up response on your campaigns and your offers. And to do that, you should join the. Let me just click the right button here. And of course, it's not working. Okay, here we go. So to do that, you need to click the inside of this video somewhere. You will see a comment that says higher conversions. Okay, it's a Facebook group, and so it's going to be private in that group. What you need to do is click the link right here. I'm going to post this link into the chat, so you should see that in a second. And all you need to do is click this link right here, and it will show up. You will be invited to. You will be invited in that group. So all you need to do is click the link in the comments below, and I will see your thing, and then you could join the group. And it's not some kind of like bait and switch. I will be on there at 2:30 Eastern. I'd love to see you. Bring your questions. I'd love to answer them. If you can see and hear this, let me know in the comments. It looks like we do have people watching live, but it's always a little hard. My vision is not great, as you can see. I'm, if you're wondering, some people do. I was born 3.5 months premature. I have no vision in my left eye, so I can see that you're commenting. When you do comment, but I can't really read them unless I'm like really close to the screen. So it does hinder the live, sort of interaction a little bit here, but not too much. Okay, so I ask you to bear with me with that stuff. But hey, if I can do this, anybody can do it. Okay, it's nothing special. There's no magic formula other than hey, let's help people by actually helping. But if you think like there's something wrong with your eye, that's why. Okay. And yeah, so it looks like this is working live. So at 2:30 Eastern, if you want to know about response dynamics, if you want to, the Apple Watch, it's like dictating what I just talked about. Stupid watch. If you want to know about response dynamics and how to scale your campaigns, if you want to ask me anything about your current offers, your current campaigns, then click the link below. Join me at 2:30 in that group. Preferably do it now, so when I get back to my desk, I'll see that you joined or that you requested to join, and I will approve you in the group. And then you can see the live. All right, bring your A game, bring your questions. I want to interact with you. I want to have some engagement here, and all that jazz. So thank you so much for watching. This is Lawton Chiles. If you want to have something to do after you go to the group, you don't have anything else to do while you're waiting for me to talk to you, then go to lawtonchiles.com. You will see a podcast on the right hand side. It's yellow, and you can subscribe and listen if you want. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. And if you want to comment, share this video, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm just getting the engagement every day for the group and getting people to actually feel like it's a safe place. They can ask questions and not feel like people are going to freak out or something. All right, we're all in this together, and we can all help each other. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.